Alright, this is Reassembly. We've got these parts. This is the innards here, the bolt, the gun, the feed tube, and the barrel. Right here is the ring, and this is right here is the trigger guard, screw. Now if you ever need to touch up on these things, I always use for aluminum trim clad rust paint in flat matte color. Now the tools you'll need are 1/8 of an inch Allen key. Robertson is a square one, and I don't know if we can focus on that. And we need a Phillips number 2. Okay, let's put this thing back together. Basically, the first thing you want to do is put the actual gun inside the stock itself. So let's do that. I'm doing this with one hand here, so it's going to be a bit difficult. Alright, so in order to put this in, you want the trigger. You can see that this little crossbar in here. You'll want the ASA to go underneath that. So, and over here, and let me just show you. You see this little hole? That's where this bottom thing goes in with the velocity adjuster. So I'm going to put that in right there. Slide it in back way first, and then we're going to put the ASA inside once it's slid back. Right. Just like that. Trigger's over here, you can see sitting right real well inside there, and you can see it's below this, so we're going to just put that in there, and it just goes in perfectly just like that. Alright, next thing is we're going to put the handguard right in there. It's really easy. You just put it on here and slide it back. There we go. Now we'll need the ring that goes right over here. So we're going to get the ring. You'll want this side goes this way. Just put it up on top of there. And let me see. This is going to take 2 hands. Okay. Alright, once it's around there, you can see there's a hole there. And you'll just want to put this screw right in there. Again, this is going to take 2 hands, so give me a second. Perfect. As you can see, it's on there, and right now the gun is secure. It's not going anywhere, but we're going to put the trigger guard on right now. Now this is a tricky part here. We've got 1 screw here, 1 screw there, and 1 that'll go through here. Now that goes in this hole here, this hole right here, and this one up here. Now this washer, you want to put like this, screw in to here first, and then washer goes on the back side here. So washer, screw, cover, washer, that kind of sandwich, and this part goes right in there. Again, it doesn't take two hands, so let me just do this. Alright, it's in there. It's flush. Now the next thing you'll want to put in is this one here. And make sure it's lined up and ready to go in there. And let's put this guy in. There, one down. And the other one we'll need to use your Phillips because it goes in the wood. And alright, it's all tight, ready to go. Perfect. Let's gas her up.